what I got here is I got a disposal that's not draining and the sink, the kitchen sink. So what I'm gonna do is show you how to get that going again. If you look under your kitchen sink and you see this goofy tool right here, that is your key for your disposal, so that if it's clogged, you can get it going again. This right here is a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. It'll do the same thing. This is my Allen wrench set. I will post a link for that so you can check that out. It's a pretty inexpensive set, but it works really well, and that's what I use every single day, and I like it. So you come under here, you've got the disposal right here. It's running a little bit, but it is not working well. If you try and use the disposal right now, I've got this button right here that's popped down because it is clogged. So this key right here, like I said, hopefully whoever installed it, it left you this. If not, like I said, use that 1/4 inch Allen wrench. That'll do the same thing. It goes right in the middle right here, and then take that, and you can hear this has got a lot of stuff stuck in it. As soon as I gave that a couple cranks, you can see that started draining really well. Once that's drained all the way, what you're probably going to want to do, if you've got big chunks of stuff, is get in there and get those removed, either with a set of pliers or reach in there with your hand. Make sure it's unplugged first. Once that's all done, you've got the big chunks of stuff removed, then come back down here and you can hit your reset button here, and then you should be good to go.